It's Attorney Gerald Griggs today with our Georgia coronavirus update for March the 27th at noon. Again, these numbers are coming from the Georgia Department of Public Health for the picture of the coronavirus or COVID-19 epidemic in the state. And the numbers continue to increase. Today, we crossed 2,000 cases. We're at 2,001 cases confirmed. 566 hospitalizations and 64 deaths. So as you can tell, the numbers have continued to rise. The age group, again, of the most affected are between the ages of 18 to 59, with 57% of them being at that age group, and then 60 plus, 34%. So the most affected group continues to be 18 to 59, and the most affected by sex continues to be female. And now 49% of the individuals that have tested positive or infected are female, with 46% being male. The number of tests, the laboratory testing by commercial labs are now at 8,119, and by the Georgia Public Health Laboratory, 1,746. And so we've now crossed over we're at about almost 10,000 tests now. And as you can see, of the 10,000 tests, we have 2,000 that are confirmed. So we're hitting at about 20% of those that are tested. And again, to get tested, you have to have symptoms and be hospitalized. So the 10,000 people that have symptoms and hospitalized, 20% of them have coronavirus. The number of cases by county, Fulton County continues to have the most number of cases with 307, followed by Dougherty County, which has 193. DeKalb County has 181. Cobb County has 144. Gwinnett County has 102. Bartow has 98. Carroll County has 55. Cherokee County has 46. Clayton County has 46. Henry County has 40. Lee County has 35. Clark County with 32. Douglas County with 27. Hall County with 24. Floyd County with 20. Coweta County with 19. Fayette 19. Forsyth 19. Lowndes County 16. Rockdale 16. Newton County 15. Mitchell County 14. Gordon County 12. Paulding County 12. Richmond County 11. Spalding County 11. Tift County 11. Troup County 11. Bibb County 10. And in total, we had 105 counties with confirmed cases, and now we have 110 counties with confirmed cases, and 217 cases cannot be assigned to a county. So a large majority of the state has at least one case of coronavirus. Half of the state have over 10 cases. So we need to know these numbers. For the United States, we have cracked the 90,000 case mark with 90,710 cases and 1,347 deaths. And we lead the world in the number of coronavirus cases. The world currently has 558,502 with 25,251 deaths globally. And I mean, these numbers are continue to be staggering. The numbers as they continue to go up here in the state of Georgia, as well as around the country. And I want to kind of put these in perspective. Again, the United States leads the world. China has now 81,340 cases, which is a plus 55, where America has a plus 1,113 cases. China had 3,292 deaths. The United States has 1,341, which is a plus 30 new deaths. The total recovered in America is 1,889, as opposed to China's 74,588, and we have 83,338 active cases, where China only has 3,460 active cases, and we have 2,139 serious cases. What does that break down to? It breaks down to, for every 1 million people in this country, we have 261 of them are infected and 4 people die. where in China, for every 1 million people, we have 57 individuals that are infected and 2 people die. And so those are the numbers that we really need to know, especially in the state of Georgia. We heard the governor's um, town hall yesterday, and we actually knew more from our daily talks than we gained from the governor. And the most important takeaway is that we need to listen to the experts. And his expert, Dr. Toomey, as well as Dr. Fauci, are continuing to say we need more testing. In Georgia, again, we've only tested 10,000 people. And of the 10,000 people that are showing signs of infection and have been hospitalized, 20% of them are testing positive for coronavirus. So we need to know that. So of the 10,000 tests, 20%. We need to also be aware that the curve is still going up. We are still in the rising stage of the curve, and it doesn't seem to be turning anywhere soon. Again, the governor talked about this was confined to the metro area, as you heard from the cases. It's not confined to the metro area. Yes, Fulton County has the most cases, but then Dougherty County has the second most cases. It's evenly distributed through North Georgia, through South Georgia, through West Georgia, and through to East Georgia. And we really need a concerted effort to actually push back on this and to make sure we are prior